Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide: how to transfer money from PayPal to your debit card in 2025. With all the updates in digital payments, it's more straightforward than ever, but we'll walk through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Whether you're looking to access your funds quickly for shopping or emergencies, this tutorial has got you covered. First things first, make sure you have the latest PayPal app installed on your phone or access it via their website. In 2025, PayPal has enhanced security, so you'll need to log in with your updated credentials, like biometric verification or a two-factor authentication code. Once you're in, head straight to your PayPal wallet or balance section. It's usually right on the homepage. Here, you'll see your available funds. Now, look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Select your linked debit card from the list. If it's not linked yet, tap on Link a Card and enter your debit card details securely. PayPal in 2025 makes this process faster with instant verification for most banks. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this because, remember, in 2025, there might be dynamic fees based on the time of day or your location. Aim to transfer during off-peak hours to save. Hit Confirm and review the transaction summary. You'll get a quick confirmation notification on your device. Processing times have improved, so expect your money in your debit card within 1 to 3 business days or even instantly for eligible accounts. One quick tip: always keep an eye on your PayPal activity for any unauthorized transfers, as cybersecurity is a big deal these days. And that's it. You've successfully moved your money from PayPal to your debit card. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.